muddied with what's going on in beauty. It's like, what does my skin really need? Well, here for the Beauty Report, we're gonna make sure you get expert tips from doctors, from plastic surgeons, from dermatologists, as well as getting hard to find products at the best values possible. So right now we're gonna be talking about a customer pick. And it's an honor to have our next guest joining us. Not only is this a customer pick, but it's perfect 5 stars. This is a Specific Beauty Skin Brightening 4-piece beauty regimen. It's on a huge price break of $39.95, 2 interest-free credit card payments, first time back since March. Dual-sided exfoliating pads, you're receiving 30 of those. Perfect 5-star review, $10. Right next to that, the Skin Brightening Serum, that's $30. You have the Hydrating SPF, that's $22.95. You have the Night Beauty Treatment Retinol Complex in there at $23.95. It's a 2-month supply. On Facebook, since I'm sharing with everyone, Skincare Secrets, a lot of you ask me, Amy, what do I need to use to fight the signs of aging with discoloration? Maybe you've got dark spots, maybe you've got age spots. All of a sudden they're popping up out of nowhere. This is a unique brightening system that every ethnicity can use, every skin type can use, and it's never been at this price before. So what can I use for my age spots, dark spots, uneven skin tone? Here's your system, and 20 bucks gets it home. So here's your great value. You can see for yourself, you'll be spending $86.80. Tonight, try it for under 20 bucks. We have Dr. Heather Woolery-Lloyd joining us. She's an award-winning, board-certified dermatologist and internationally renowned lecturer. I know you've read about her in Oprah Magazine, Good Housekeeping, Elle, People's Style Watch. More importantly, she sees patients and conducts clinical research in private practice at the University of Miami, where she serves as Director of Ethnic Skincare. So thank you so much, Doctor, for being here.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here, Amy.
Thank you. And look, first and foremost, look at this skin. I saw her come in without a lick of makeup. There is not a spot, a discoloration. I don't even think you have. Do you have makeup on?
I have a little makeup on, but I've been using Specific Beauty for years. And that's why I'm really here today, because I know that even skin tone is youthful skin, is radiant skin, and that's why I created Specific Beauty.
All right, well, step by step, we're going to walk you through why this system is different. Because I'm sure, being a busy dermatologist, what's the one thing women come in and say? Nobody says, oh, I like my spots, I want to keep them.
Absolutely, you're so right. The #1 complaint in my patients is uneven skin tone and dark spots. And really, when I looked at the products that were available out there, they were either too expensive or too complicated, or they basically didn't work. So I needed to create a regimen that was science-based, that was easy to use, and gave results. And that's really why I created Specific Beauty, because I needed something from my patients.
And yourself.
And myself.
And me. I've never worked with the doctor before. I had a chance to try this, and I do. My mother always points out, you've got all the spots on your nose, you've got the spots over here. So she likes to constantly remind me that I didn't take good care of my skin when I was in my 20s. But what's nice is I can grab control now. This is a 3-step process, morning and night. It's the only brightening system designed for every skin tone and every ethnicity. So whether you're as fair as me, or maybe you have the skin tone of doctor standing next to me, but let's go over this system, because what I like is it's daily hydrating, but it's also daily treating.
It is, and it's so true. You can take control of your skin and help to erase those dark marks and that uneven skin tone. So it's very simple, 3 simple steps. 3 steps in the morning and 3 steps at night. So the first step, of course, is to cleanse, right? Yes. We just talked about that. And these are the exfoliating cleansing cloths. These cloths are fantastic. They're so durable. You know, sometimes you'll get these cloths and they feel like they're going to fall apart in your hands. These are nothing like that. And one side is smooth for makeup removal, and the other side has textured beads for gentle exfoliation. And I'll show you here, this really does remove your makeup. I use this every single night to remove my makeup, and I put some lip stain on my hand here, and you can see it comes right off, and lip stain really tends to absorb in, and this will take off your eye makeup.
That was lip stain, not just your ordinary long-wearing lipstick or what, lip stains. So you know, you're scrubbing and scrubbing, it's like down in your skin.
And it comes right out, and really it will remove your eye makeup, it won't irritate your skin. It's really just a fantastic cleanser, and that's the first step. Okay. And of course you have to exfoliate, because exfoliation helps the next step penetrate better.
Well, you know what, everyone's been loving this. We want to share with everyone. It's a small consumer perception survey. Right there, 100%. This is just about the cloths. This is step number 1. 100% agreed or strongly agreed skin felt clean, refreshed, and toned. 100% agreed or strongly agreed provided gentle and effective exfoliation. 95% agreed or strongly agreed effective remove makeup. I mean, that's saying a lot. That's A plus A plus A.
It is.
You know?
This is just a fantastic cleanser. And cleansing is always your first step.
Yeah.
It is always your first step. And it really provides a basis for the next step, which is the serum.
Okay.
So the Skin Brightening Serum, this is the workhorse of this regimen. This has so much science packed into this bottle. I am a dermatologist, and I'm fortunate enough to lecture all over the world on the cosmetic treatment of uneven skin tone. And so I know what works, and I know the exact ingredients that get results. And all of those ingredients are packed into this serum.
Wow.
So this serum is very lightweight. I want to just show you what it looks like because it's a light yellow color, and that's because it has licorice in it. It contains the perfect combination of licorice, antioxidants, and retinol, and these work synergistically to even your skin tone. So it absorbs right into your skin. It's silky smooth. It's easy to use, and you just see those results. Look at that.
This is the first time I'm seeing this one, doctor. That's the same spot that I had on my side of my face. Look at the difference in 12 weeks just using this system twice a day.
Just using that system, and it's fantastic. You can see, look, this is one of my favorite before and afters because you can see that glowing radiance in the after picture. You can see in the before picture her skin looks dull, it looks, you know, mottled. You see those brown spots, and in her after picture 6 weeks later, she is glowing. Her skin is glowing, you know, and that's what I love to hear from my patients. It's so refreshing to hear, my skin is glowing after using this for a month or 2 months.
And that's only step 2. You know what? We have so many testimonials we want to share with you. There's also a nighttime cream. So again, you have a day or a night, you got your serum, but we want to have you take a listen to some testimonials on using specific beauty and of course take advantage of the special savings we have.
What my friends say about my skin, they ask me what is my secret. And when I tell them it's specific beauty, they need to have it. They just see a big difference. They thought, did I get a promotion at work? Did I win the lottery? They see a glow that's coming out very natural, and just at my skin having less wrinkles and brighter skin and a lot more even skin tone.
That's just one woman loving it.
Yes.
There's hundreds of you that have rated each of these products individually. It's a huge value that we have. We talked about cleansing. We talked about using the serum day and night. You have 2 more specific products that we're going to get into. That's your day and night.
Exactly. So it was so important to me as a dermatologist to make this regimen simple. We're all so busy. We don't have time for 7 steps. I don't have time for 7 steps. I know that
if we get 1 in, right?
Exactly. So I wanted to make it simple. 3 simple steps. So step 1, of course, is to cleanse. Step 2 is the Skin Brightening Serum. And then step 3 in the morning is the daily hydrating lotion with SPF 30. Okay? So this is very unique. This is fantastic because not only is it a lightweight moisturizer, a broad spectrum sunscreen, but also it has skin brighteners and antioxidants. So together, all of these things, it's just such a fantastic morning regimen because you get your sunscreen, it's a moisturizer, you get your skin brightening, you get your antioxidants all in one.
That's what we need. 3 simple steps. You know, we've been talking a lot about firming and lifting. This is a very specific program for, I don't care how dark of a spot you have or the age spots that you might have. If you've got discoloration on your skin, it's aging you and you don't like it. It took years for that spot to finally surface. Believe it or not, it's been there a long time before it raised its ugly head on your face. But what's unique about this system is you're using ingredients that are proven to work. I love that we have Dr. Heather Woolery joining us, that she's bringing 3 simple steps. You're not writing prescriptions. There's no hydroquinone
There's no
inside
hydroquinone, no harsh chemicals. And that's why I decided I needed in my practice an alternative. Look at those before and afters. I mean, that patient is ecstatic. If you've been walking around with brown spots or sunspots, this is the perfect regimen for you. You need to get this because it really will help to improve those dark spots, the uneven skin tone, the dullness, and it will restore that youthful, radiant skin that you've always wanted.
And you can't beat the price at $20. $20 for you to get it home, because this system, you may have seen it in big stores, this system would cost you $86 and change. It's 3 credit card payments with your HSN card of $13.32. There is a big hold going on right now for Specific Beauty, because I know you've read about Dr. Heather Woolery-Lloyd being an award-winning board-certified dermatologist, internationally renowned lecturer. She is the one that goes to other dermatologists and tells them how to effectively treat their patients with dark spots and age spots. This is a 2-month supply. You cleanse, you have your serum, and then either your day or your night. So it's 3 simple steps to see dramatic results. We'll show you again the side of that face, you know, how those spots just all of a sudden appear, whether it's your nose. I've got some right here on the side from driving. You know, we haven't been that good to our skin.
We haven't. And you know, the interesting thing, you talk about driving, you can use these on your hands. All of you out there with brown spots on your hands, this will work because it contains every single step in this regimen is designed to even your skin tone. So when you're driving, your hands are on the steering wheel, guess what? You're getting all of that sun damage on your hands. You can use it on your face, your chest, your hands, anywhere where you have brown spots. If you have brown spots, if you have uneven skin tone, you need to get this regimen. It's perfectly designed for you.
So your skin tone, my skin tone, everyone can benefit from this. This is Doctor's only show with us. So it's not like she's going to be back for host pick. You're not going to be seeing her all throughout the day. This is your only opportunity to pick this up on a huge price break. So I want to point out again, you're saving $20 off. This is the lowest price we've ever had on Specific Beauty. That's why so many of you are ordering this. It's a 2-month supply. We have retinol in the nighttime to fight lines and wrinkles. Daytime has an amazing SPF. You've got the brightening serum and the cleansing cloth, so one's cleansing and exfoliating at the same exact time. If you want the best and the easiest system for you to brighten with, you've got it tonight. So your one and only chance, huge customer pick on hsn.com. Because Dr. Woolery-Lloyd is so busy, she's not here as often as we'd like to have her here. She's maybe here 3 times a year because she does travel the world lecturing about skin issues such as dark spots and age spots. And there's really not a quick fix to that. It's a long fight, but you can win it.
And it's a regimen, but I know the exact ingredients at the exact concentrations to give you results. And that's what I put into this regimen. I needed this for my patients. You know, a few months ago I saw a younger woman who had a baby, and she developed these brown spots all over her face, and she was devastated because, you know, you feel like you can't go out without makeup. You feel like your
tons of concealer,
exactly.
Right?
And I saw her back a few weeks ago, and she was ecstatic because she was just free. She didn't have to wear makeup anymore. Her skin was glowing. Her skin was smooth and even. And really, that's what this regimen is designed to do.
What about your neck, doctor? Can I even put?
You can put it on your neck and on your hands. That's one of the biggest complaints I see in my patients is the brown spots on their hands, because we always forget to put sunscreen on your hands. You have to put sunscreen on your face, chest, and hands.
We forget. It's okay. We can go ahead and kind of correct the damage we've done. But let's talk about, again, how easy this system is to use. Last chance to pick it up on 3 credit card payments with your HSN card. It's an $86 value. Woo, what a savings. What a savings tonight for $39.95. And it's everything that you need. And everybody, I don't care who you are, everyone has some type of discoloration that they hate. Or maybe it's just getting progressively worse. And you're saying, okay, it's way out of control. Here's how you grab control. So, doctor, we get this home. Where do we start?
So you start, of course, with cleansing. These exfoliating cleansing cloths, which are fantastic, durable, smooth on one side for makeup removal, textured on the other side for gentle exfoliation, and you will just love how your skin feels smooth and refreshed and ready for step 2. And step 2 is the skin brightening serum, and that serum has the perfect combination of the exact ingredients, retinol, licorice, and antioxidants, no harsh chemicals to even your skin tone. If you have dark spots, if you have uneven skin tone, you need to try this. And then, of course, in the morning, step 3 is a daily hydrating lotion with SPF 30, and that is just a beautiful product because it's hydrating, you get broad spectrum UVA and UVB coverage, antioxidants and skin brightening all in that one product. And then at night, you do the same 3 steps. You cleanse, you spot treat, and the night treatment with retinol.
See, it's a little yellow. You can tell there's your retinol inside of it.
Retinol and licorice, because licorice is a powerful skin brightener. It is really has been studied, and we know that it works, and that's why I included it in this regimen. It's based on years and years of research.
All right, well, they're moving us along. You want to brighten your skin? You're tired of those dark spots? You're tired of them getting bigger? We've got the best value on the